Today we will be taking a look at the HQT TM1000 professional mobile radio. This specific one works on midband, also known as C-band or VHF, commonly used on burgb frequencies or also known as marnet radios. Common frequencies in the agriculture, 66 to 88 MHz. Let's dive in. Let's start with what's in the box. First, there is a microphone that is commonly used in South Africa, a power lead assembly, a mic hook with mounting screws, a mounting bracket. Then there's the radio, a 25 watt unit that can be mounted in a vehicle or on a power supply to be used as a base radio. There is no antenna, as the antennas differ from vehicle mounted to base radio, so this is bought separately. But back to the radio. The radio case is made from aluminium, powder coated in a black finish. The bottom plate is secured with 8 screws. And the control head is made from a strong plastic, as well as the volume knob. The action of turning the volume knob up or down feels very smooth. The microphone plug is a standard 8-pin RJ45. Then there's the 4 programmable buttons for features like emergency, adjust squelch, adjust TX power, LCD backlight and more. I will leave a full list in the description. The radio has a LCD display that can show signal strength if the radio is scanning, channel frequencies or channel name, but again I will put the full list in the description. Next to the screen you can find the channel up and down buttons and the on-off button nicely in red. They do feel of a good quality. Now let's take a look inside the radio. I will start by removing the 8 screws at the bottom and the 2 screws on the side. While I'm doing that, hit the subscribe button and notifications, or like and follow our page not to miss any of our videos. Also have a look at our channel or page for the previous tech videos. But back to the HQT. Now that we have the screws removed, we can remove the bottom plate. This exposes the main board. Let's take a look around. Here we can clearly see that they use aluminium for the radio. And the coils they used is very neat. The radio's layout is also very neat, and that they've used 2 filters, one for the narrow band and one for the wide band. The speaker connects via this secure plastic plug, and the control head is connected to the main board via this flat cable. At the control head side we find a 7 watt 16 ohm speaker, so it should have a loud audio capability, and a flat cable connects here from the main board. Overall, this shouldn't be a difficult radio to service, and all alignment is done via software. I only have one complaint, and that is the radio's depth. The depth might make it difficult to install into some vehicles' dashes, but this back part is for better heat dissipation of the final transistor. That's for the 25 watt transistor. Quite a good analog professional radio. Don't forget to subscribe or like for our next videos. Thanks for watching.